ng Sasigola.
Look, sunod-sunod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
100.
Gopa, gopa. Wow.
Cecily.
Wow, galing. Ito. This one. Go for this one. Yeah, pili. Pila? Wala. Sayang.
Pili mo ano, di ba? Cyper. Bola.
零四，这边那个04，但有一04的，04lang na. 04。
Ay, mao?
Isa sa mga top yan.
Oh my gosh. Swerte ko, guys. Guys, isa to, kanang taas daw kayo to akong points. Nafe-feel ko talaga mo daog ko, guys. I got this. So guys, this is going to be quite a long vlog. So kung wala mo yung patience, pag-scroll up na lang mo, guys. But if you want to watch, then you are very welcome to do so. Hello again, guys! And for today's episode, uban ako ninyo because for the first time ever, you guys, magdula ako og dice game. Kanang dice game, guys, it's like a mid-autumn festival type of game ata na sa mga Chinese. Tama ba, love? Our family is hosting it and it's my first time nadulaon siya, guys. And to think, 10 years na may married sa kumbana, wala yung toothpaste. So anyway, guys, we just checked in here sa Aruga Apartments. I think it's somewhere in Makati. I'm not sure. Wala dyan ko yung idea, guys. There is sa Manila. So, mag-toothbrush lang ko, guys. And after this, i-set up na mo ang mga prizes. Then later, sa isa na mag-abot ang relatives sa akong husband. So, tara, guys. Ubani ko ninyo. Let's go! Ano day, guys? It's Aruga by Rockwell. Actually, connected lang siya sa Rockwell na mall. Really nice here. Nangkay ko. But before anything else, guys, i-room tour sa anak ko mo. So, we actually got a 2-bedroom apartment and then this room is ours. So, it has like a huge bed. So, kasha giving tulad diri, guys. Na siya own CR and bathroom. Apod siya closet. Actually, quite big. Dako gyud siya, guys. Kaning closet dili hinuon na mo magamit kay overnight lang man bidiri. Muli na mig Davao pagkaugma. And it also has a ng table nagibutangan na lang na mo gamit. Pasensya na. The phone, the lamp, apod siya TV. Diba? It's super nice. Prizes. So we're arranging the prizes right now. So yung 6 to first place. Yung Carson na nice lagi ni Chi. 6th place. Second place, Nespresso. Ay, ang third place. Silang space dyan. Okay. So, i-give spam, you guys. There. Second place, Nespresso Cappuccino Mug. Okay, Nespresso Cappuccino Mug, cash. Ang cash liter na, Chi. So, money ang prizes, guys. This is for the 6th place, 5th place, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st is cash. Which is wala pa diri. Oh, this is the outside mo niyang sala. And then, there's also a huge television. And mo ni ang pasulod. Hala! Nagtago! Hala! Sakpan! So, we're done setting up the prizes, guys. Ayan na. And ako'y set diri. Guys, 10 years na may married sa akong husband. No? Per karon lang dyan niya ako ipadula og dice game. I don't even know why. Ano? Dili ni mo padula og dice game.
Hindi man uso sa Davao na isip.
Dili ba uso? But I'm really excited to.
Or wala lang talaga atin.
Dapat kabalo ka, mag-attend ta. Kuya, kay tag prizes, oh. Hi!
Hi! Hello!
Hi! Hi! Mimi! Oh, that's yung Mimi.
Wait, what's the
Can I have this cherries lang? No, thank you, Mami D.E. Tikoy. Lamig kay kwaon, guys. I have to arrange this here. Guys, lamig kay kwaon na lang. Pwede puslit na lang na ulit pa Davao. Hindi na lang na ko nihatag. Char lang. Ting ma-house ko sa family kalit, guys. Lisod na. Ano to? Out? Here? Sige. Ay, lagay ko na lang muna dito. What? Champoy? Oo.
Kanang babae, I give everything.
Okay lang, Mami. Okay na ako sa lalaki.
One, two, yung mga nasa likod ng lalaki.
The seniors team already ready. So, ito.
Sa home size. Bo.
Sige lang.
It's you.
Agoy. Proof. Tuloy siya, love. Tuloy siya.
Bitaw.
Ang dali ah.
Okay, good job.
It's okay.
Good job.
Oh, papa na po.
Kami ah. Bo. Isa lang. It's you. Chitin.
Ikaw na po, Chi. Oh, wow. Go, mama.
Kulela.
Who's winning? Who's winning?
Ay, nasa Shopee. Si Shopee.
Talaga? Ay, galing ni Shobe. Uy. Oh, you get that one. Wow. Oh, this is yours. Congrats, Ana. Wow.
Wala.
Chi, daog na ka? Papa ka na tawag?
Kaon lang ka.
Kaon sa... Ano ni? Wala. Okay. Wala. Wala.
Ba, chongguan din. Kaso lang ba, sa ayas ko.
Pag.
Thank you lang.
It's wala na.
Ulam din.
Apat na pareho.
Wala. Money, show your winnings. Oh, daw. Ah, kuyaw. Daog. Spam. Kaya gani. Tapos na ang amuang dice game. Bingo game sa me, guys. So it was really fun. Karon, ipakita na ko kuun sa amuang nadaogan. Wait. Dice game kay nakadaog mi ani. So this one, I don't know what this is. It's like weed flake stick. It's candy. I don't know what it is. And face mask. This L'Occitane pouch. And guys, I won 200 pesos. I'm so happy! O, diba? Pa-cashback tayo guys sa amot na 300. Then naapoy, abot nga na nips na candy. Eco bag from Japan. By the way guys, disclaimer, dili lang ni ako atanan. So, joint ni siya. Ako, akong husband, o ang among anak. Kaya nag-join man mi tanan sa dice game. Mo ni tanan ang amuang nadaogan. And para sa bingo game, nakadaog ang akong bana og tumbler from CBTL. Perfect kaayo eh. Grabe guys, it was such a fun game. As in, nalingaw gyud ko sa dice game. Maski wala ako kasabot sa mechanics, basta kadto. Anyway guys, it's time for us to have dinner and manghipos pa pud mi. And if you've reached this far sa akong vlog, thank you so much for watching guys. And until the next one, bye-bye!